Oh, the Places You'll Go by Dr. Seuss. Except when they don't, because sometimes they won't. I'm afraid that sometimes you'll play lonely games too, games you can't win, 'cause you'll play against you.
I walk down a path where no one
All
had
alone,
gone.
whether you like it or not.
I passed beyond the tall trees.
Alone will be something you'll be quite a lot.
I wondered why I was all
And when you're alone, there's a very good chance
miles and miles and miles of sky.
you'll meet things that scare you right out of your pants.
I'm looking forward to
There are some
what's
down the road between hither and yon
ahead. What direction life will
that can scare you so much
give me the strength
you won't want to go on.
and the way.
But on you will go, though the weather be foul. On you will go, though your enemies prowl. On you will go, though the hackencracks howl. Onward up many a frightening creek, though your arms may get sore and your sneakers may leak. On and on you will hike, and I know you'll hike far, and face up to your problems, whatever they are. You'll get mixed up, of course, as you already know. You'll get mixed up with many strange birds as you go. So be sure when you step with care and great tact. And remember that life's a great balancing act. Just never forget to be dexterous and deft, and never mix up your right foot with your left.
Lead on, hope's never gone. Dreams are forever. Please say it so. And lead on, hope's never gone. Dreams are forever. Please say it so. And move on, hope's never gone. Dreams are forever. Please say it so. And lead on, hope's never gone. Your dreams are forever. Please say it so.
And will you succeed? Yes, you will indeed. 98.75% guaranteed. Kid,